G'day folks, it's Rod here from Award RV Superstore, and we're with GoRV, product of the week, and it's the on-the-road manual washing machine. So come inside and let's have a look. I'd like to introduce to you our new on-the-road RV manual washing machine. This is an absolute cracker. 3 kilo capacity, which is nearly a kilo more than any of the competitors on the market. When you're doing your washing, you lock the handle in here, spin it around forwards and backwards. When you've got the actual washing done and you've done the rinse, when you go to empty it, you lock the handle onto this side, you drop your hose down into your basin, and then this does 1200 revolutions a minute. Once the actual washing comes out of it, it's virtually drip dry, and then you can just hang it up. There's a plug that goes into the side over here on the hose, so if you don't want to use the hose, you can use the plug. It comes with a hose attachment, so if you've got water or a tap somewhere, you can just put your normal hose connector onto it, pop it in there and fill it up. It has 2 easy clips there, the top just pops out. Inside you've got the basket, and the unique thing about the basket is that when it's actually spinning that way, it spins the other way, so it's a very, very good agitator. If you're using dishwashing liquid, that's no problem. If you're using powder, you should pre-mix the powder with a bit of water so it doesn't drop down through the bottom. Alright, so these are available at Award RV Superstore in Ferntree Gully, or you can get it online, awardrv.com.au. They're normally $99.95, but at the moment running a promo, $79. So if you want one, jump into the store online.